What is engineering? What I thought an engineer was. I originally thought that an engineer was a process of thinking, designing, and producing products that make daily life easier. What an engineer really does. The real definition of an engineer is a person who uses math and science in practical ways to benefit mankind. Chemical engineering. Chemical engineering is the branch of engineering that deals a lot with chemistry. These engineers mix various kinds of chemicals to try and solve problems such as world hunger and water pollution. Civil engineering. A civil engineer is an engineer who designs and maintains roads, bridges, and dams. Civil engineer is one of the oldest forms of engineering. Civil engineers make travel simple and easy. Electrical engineer. An electrical engineer's job is to design and improve technology. A lot of things we use today are designed by electrical engineers, such as phones, computers, television, and lights. Mechanical engineer. A mechanical engineer is a very diverse subject. They design all things of different shapes and sizes. It can be as small as a printer or as big as a spacecraft. Their main goal is to put products in the marketing place. Animal engineering. Animal engineering. I think it would be interesting to be an animal engineer. Engineers who work for zoos are called life support engineers, and they are responsible for building new exhibits in zoos, designing new equipment, and life support systems. They also have to research each individual animal to make sure its habitat is suitable for them. These engineers are usually educated in architectural, civil, chemical, biomedical, environmental, and mechanical engineering. Selective achievement. The telephone, wrote Alexander Graham Bell in 1877, may be briefly described as an electrical contrivance to reproducing in distant places the tones and articulations of the speaker's voice. My selective achievement is the telephone. Telephones are a popular use of technology today. By the year 2000, over 1 billion people went wireless due to the advancements in technology. The telephone is responsible for millions of jobs, such as cell phone company employees, and 2% of the gross domestic income of the United States. Cell phones have made life so much easier. Engineering of the telephone. I think the most involved branch of engineering used in the development of the telephone was electrical engineering, because an electrical engineer's job is to design and improve technology. It all started as a simple product, and electrical engineers have improved it so much that you can now text, take pictures, use internet, and listen to music. The challenge. If I were an animal engineer, I would try to decrease the amount of fossil fuels we use to convert to solar energy. Fossil fuels are bad for the environment and are a non-renewable resource, meaning they cannot grow back. We cannot rely on fossil fuels forever. Solar power would be a great alternative. If I were an engineer, I would like to work on making products use solar energy instead of burning fossil fuels. For example, an animal engineer works with helping animals in their environment, so why not save our environment at the same time? Instead of using fossil fuels, zoos could use solar power in their buildings, such as concession stands and souvenir shops. Solution to the world. I think solar energy would be the answer to a lot of problems our planet is enduring. By burning fossil fuels, not only are we using up a non-renewable resource, we are contributing to global warming and pollution. We need to find new ways to produce energy that is healthy for the environment. The contribution. As an animal engineer, I think it would be a great idea to use solar power as an alternative energy source because it's good for the environment and it's more natural. For example, we could design solar-powered animal exhibits. Reptiles need heat in order to live, so instead of burning fossil fuels to keep their habitation warm, we could design a solar-powered heater. The end.